right, so we got some Sunday dinner. So we got some fried pork chops, some yellow rice, and some scalloped potatoes. It's been a long time since I made a video. So I moved recently, so yeah, I know how it is when it's moving. So and we got some big red. And y'all, we eat the thin pork chops. We don't do the big stuff. So we got the thin pork chops. I haven't had scalloped potatoes in a minute, but they good when it comes to flavor, but I don't like how hard the potatoes is. That's kind of why I don't really eat scalloped potatoes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, honestly, I know. I recently moved, so life's been busy. It's been real busy. But I'm hoping I can get back into the swings of things, videos, all that. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, no, Thanksgiving is this week, so probably have a couple more videos. Good old pork chop with some hot sauce. Let's just go check in. So I'll see y'all in my next video.